Miaka mihituku mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni amurire kamiti ya mwanya guthuthuria niki gitumite mathina ma kimeciria kuri andu mongerereke guku bururi-ini, na thutha wa uthuthuria kamiti ino ni yaheanire mendekithia ma maundu maria mabataire gukinyanirio niguo kuhitana na gutherema kwa mathina ma meciria. Uthuthuria uria wikitwo guku bururi-ini uronania hari andu 10 mundu umwe ari na thina wa kimeciria, mathina maya makiumana na maundu matiganite na gucungiriria akenya aingi kugwa mutego-ini wa kwiruta muoyo.
Kenya suffers a heavy mental health burden evident by increasing cases of suicide, anxiety disorders, domestic and social violence and hate crimes.
The moment we start talking about mental disorder, we are basically saying you not only require counseling, which is usually very intensive, more than 6 months, but you also require medication.
Mary Maungu, umwe wa maabitha nene kuma ministry-ini ya uruti wira wa muingi, augite aruti wira a muingi mari na thina uyu, undu uria utumite aingi ao kuremwo ni kuruta wira na angi kwihotha hari unyui wa njohi.
In the service, a rise in mental health concern is evident through increase in alcohol and substance use, suicide, anxiety disorders, occupational injuries, workplace conflict, and absenteeism.
The only challenge in the service, when somebody commits suicide, in most cases, it doesn't come out very open. Teachers are kind of catching up with this business of suicide.
Nimendekithitie andu guthomithio maundu megi thina wa kimeciria maita maingi, na ceceni cia kurumbuia mathina ma kimeciria ni ibatie gukorwo kuo ona mawabici-ini ma uruti wira wa muingi.
The mental health has to be approached from a very high level. It is no longer an issue to be done down there.
Hari guteithiriria uruti wira wa muingi, mubango uria uriho ni gutigirira ceceni iria iri kuo cia kurumbuiana na mathina ma meciria ni cia kuruhania andu matiganite niguo kubacirira ugima wa meciria.
We are revamping the counseling units in the public service to bring on board wellness unit.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.